How to show or hide the silent mode bell icon in the status bar on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap on Show in Status Bar. Now you can see here, when I tap on the toggle button to switch it off, then the bell icon does not show in the status bar anymore. And if I turn it on, then in my status bar, it will show the bell icon. And if I turn off silent mode, it will remove the bell icon. And if I turn it on, it will show the bell icon in silent mode. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.